Hey everybody, Cody back again from Lazy Goblins, and this is the second video, technically, the first, technically, the second, however you want to consider it, video for our Rollerball tutorial series with Bolt. So in this video, I'm just going to I'm going to show you how to set up Bolt. So first of all, you're going to want to go to the asset store. Now, if you don't have this window, just come up here to window. Go down to Asset Store. There it is, Asset Store. And it'll pop up for you. Then you're going to come here, type Bolt. And there it is. And then you buy it. I already have it. So all I got to do is I got to click the import. It'll go and prepare the package for you. And then you just hit import. Now we wait a little bit. Alright, so once you're done importing it, you're going to see the Bolt Setup Wizard. Welcome to Bolt! So you hit next. Ba-dum. And here, this is how you want names to be displayed. You could either use human naming or you could use the programmer naming. For me, I'm going to use the programmer naming. I'm used to programming and it just makes more sense in my brain. But you could use either one. As you can see, it's relatively the same. So I'm going to click programmer naming. And then there's a generate custom inspectors. We're just going to hit next on this one. And then we're going to come down here. We're going to hit next again. Come down here. Hit generate. And it's going to generate everything for us. Alright, once the setup is complete, you can just hit close, and you are now ready to use Bolt. So we're going to set up the layout here real quick. Okay, we're going to go to Window, we're going to go to Graph. Going to dock that right here. And then we're going to go to Window, Graph Inspector, going to dock it right over here. Of course, you could set this up however you want. This is just my preference here. Go to Window, Variables, and dock that right here. And once you have it all set up to how you want, then you can come up here and you can save the layout. I already have mine saved as Bolt, so I'm going to click it. It's going to bring everything back up to how I usually have it. And that's pretty much it. That's Bolt. We'll get into these a little bit later. But yeah, that's how we set up Bolt. Next video, we're gonna set up the playfield. We're gonna set up our player object. Alright guys, see you in the next video.